my name is Debbie Savage. Good morning. I am so excited to be partnering with She Media with their Moments With series. And today I'm going to give you my behind the scenes of my life, my work-life balance at home. New friend, our Craigslist find of a treadmill that cost us only 50 bucks. So yes, it's from 1989, but it still works like a charm. So we're gonna do cardio and it's gonna be a legs day and I'll take you through it. What are you having for breakfast, honey?
Pizza. This
Breakfast?
is like my second slice.
Wow. Reese, say hi to all my friends. She's my cute little rescue dog. I just finished my workout. It was intense. It was good. I'm sweating bullets. I am glistening, as you can see. I am working out in a fasted state. What do you think I should do, Reese? Or clean up and get a little bit dolled up for you. I have got my apron on. It's one of my favorites. I look like a little candy striper from when I volunteered at the hospital as a teen. But anyway, I am starving. I am sure my kids are starving. And so we are gonna start on lunch right now. Here is where I cook the delicious meals on that plug-in burner. I also bake things in this little mini oven. Okay. I'm heading up to the study hall where school is in session. Elijah is playing video games for just a little while. Emmy is studying and Chloe is studying, right girl? Reese, hello, say hi to my friends. She's cuckoo loco. So this is the state of affairs in my home office. Not too glamorous right now. I was gonna clean up, but I thought I'd give you a real sneak peek into how my office looks. Hi guys, it is 3 o'clock and I finally got a chance to sit down and work, and I haven't even taken a shower yet, so it's kind of gross. But I do have a new Instagram post up and I'm just trying to pat myself on the shoulder because I had huge aspirations today to finish a beauty video tutorial, crank out a blog post, and work on other projects that I have in queue in the pipeline, but I just didn't get around doing it. And it's a huge struggle working from home and with the whole entire family at home and managing that together as a team. It ain't easy, but again, my family comes first, and I know everything will work out in the end. So I'm gonna show you my cute Instagram post, and then I am gonna actually head into the shower and meet you right back. Here is my Instagram post for the day. And if you are new to content creation, there's a lot that goes behind it. I would say caption takes most of the time, but I'm really proud of this picture because I took this photo all by myself. I put a camera on a tripod, pushed the self timer, and just hoped that that magic moment came, and it did. I hope you guys like it too. After an amazing shower and taking the time to do my makeup is amazing. As simple as it is, it can just get you in the best mood, and I am not letting this look go to waste, so I am gonna feature this look in a campaign that I have going on, and I can't wait to show you. It is evening time, and before I go, I thought it'd be fun to show you the state of our kitchen remodel. What do you guys think of this floor? I love it. Here is our guest bedroom. Here is the walk-in closet. I have to tell you, my husband is doing everything and I love him so much. This is the guest bathroom and it's just totally coming together, and my husband Albert is working so hard. We had this new staircase built and we love it. And moving into our family room where my little boy enjoys watching his little YouTube videos is the kitchen. This is a chandelier that has traveled with us throughout many homes. And here is the kitchen. We've got 2 double islands. This is going to be our pantry. 2 double ovens, and it just is coming together. But as you can see, this is a work in progress. Okay, so this wraps up my entire day. I'm going to sign out and enjoy the rest of the evening with my family. But I had so much fun. Thank you, She Media, for inviting me to be a part of the Moments with series. It was so fun to share my work-life balance at home. I wouldn't call it balance, and it's okay because it's really all about prioritizing and just being present in whatever you are doing. I am sending lots of love, peace, support, and protection to all of you, and have a great day. Bye.